This is a 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Mia Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. We'll start with the passenger side one. That's the light. Let's reorient. Headlight, fog light. The way to access it is from behind there. There are two clips. That's the first clip. In order to get it out, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to pry out the middle part of the clip off like that. Once the middle part is off, the entire clip can be removed. Same process for the other one. That's over there. Let's get the middle part out. And then you can just pull the entire clip off. If it takes a few seconds, that's okay. Just be patient with it. Once you get both the clips off, now you can pry that black plastic off and you can get your entire hand in there. That's the bulb right over there. Grab it, twist it left, and then it'll be loose. And that's it. See, once it's loose, the base of the bulb should be like pointing at 4 o'clock. When it's tight, it should be pointing at 6 o'clock, like straight down. Once it's loose, you get the bulb out. There's enough play in the wire to get the entire bulb out like that. Grab the bulb with one hand. With the other hand, press down on the electrical connector right there with your thumb. Press it down and then pull the electrical connector off. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come off. Just be patient. The bulb size number is H16. Again, H16, that's the replacement bulb size number. Get the new bulb, align it with the electrical connector, slide it on, and click it in place, and now it's secured. Let's put this back in. Now, when you're putting it back in, you can sort of look at it from outside and use that as a guide to position the bulb, or you can just do it from inside, like this. Let's take another look at it. Get the bulb in position, just like that. See, it's sitting snug. Twist it, and once the base is at 6 o'clock, it's locked in place and secured. I'm trying, and now it's locked. Okay, that is looking good. See that? Now it's secured. It's not going anywhere. Now let's go ahead and put those two clips back in, and then we'll be done with this side. First, just take the middle part of the clips off. That'll make it easy. Just get the middle part of the clip off for both the clips, and then we'll put them back in. Get the outside part of the clip in. Make sure both those black plastic pieces are aligned. Push the clip through it. Then get the middle part, push that in, secure it in place, and that is good. Repeat the process for the other clip over there. The black plastic and the red bumper plastic should be all aligned. The clip should go through both of them. Align it, push it in, get the middle part, push that in, secure it in place, and we're done. That's the driver's side light. Again, same process as the passenger side, no differences whatsoever, same clips, same bulb, same everything, but I'm going to do it just to show you that it's just as easy. So get the screwdriver, get the one clip off, and then let's get the second clip off. Same process, get the middle part out, then the entire clip comes off. Now you can pry that down, and you have enough space to get the entire hand in there. Okay, let's get your hand in there. That's the bulb right over there. Grab the bulb, twist it left. Once it's loose, you can wiggle the bulb and get it out of the light. There it is. In order to get it out, you have to first push down on the electrical connector on the middle part there, and it'll slide off. Get the bulb off. See where I'm pushing down? The middle part of the electrical connector right there. The bulb type is H16. H16 is the bulb type. Get a new H16 bulb. Align it with the electrical connector over there. Slide it on. Click it in place. That is good. Now let's put the bulb back into the light. Make sure the bulb looks the way I'm showing over here. So that way it's sitting snug and it's not misaligned. See, once it's looking like this, then try to tighten it, or else you will not do a proper job. Tighten it. Get the clips back on. Again, get the middle part of the clip out first for both the clips. Once you do that, let's get the outside part of the clip. Secure those two pieces of black plastic together. Once the outside part is in, get the middle part in, and that is good. Let's repeat the process for the other clip, and that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Only took us about 5 minutes to replace both the bulbs.